Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
When Imam Mehdi offered the funeral prayer of Imam Hasan Askari, all the people noticed that this child is the son of Imam Hasan Askari, the same child who will rule the whole world. The ruler got this news. He was shocked. He drank a glass of wine in one breath and wondered how it is possible that despite such strictness and supervision he remained unaware of Imam Hasan Askari's son. He was wandering around in anger and wondering how to imprison Imam Mehdi. His soldiers were standing beside him. The ruler considered them incompetent and was telling them they are unable to find about the child.
You have not known for so long that he has come into this world?
He told a soldier to tell the fighters to be ready and go to the Imam's house with them and arrest Imam Mehdi.
Remember, if you don't do this I will kill you.
Soldiers besieged Imam Hasan Askari's house. They entered the Imam's house but did not find Imam Mehdi anywhere. Because by the command of Allah he had disappeared from the sight of the soldiers. This was the time when the occultation of Imam began. The disappearance of the Imam is not like the disappearance of Jesus as he ascended to heaven. Imam is present on earth and he is living with human beings but secretly. We cannot see him. Even if we do not recognize. May you all become members of Imam Mehdi army and welcome him once he arrive. Soon. Inshallah.